Our ogbono soup is ready. We're gonna be using some pieces of goat's meat. Put it in the pot. It's washed. Then onions and 1.5 seasonal cube, salt to taste, thyme. Then we're gonna be adding water. We make sure the water covers the meat. That will enable you to make to gauge the amount of water that will cook the meat till it's done. So here I'm using 1 cup of ogbono and I'm using champignone. And here is our ogbono and crayfish and blended pepper. So I washed, whenever I receive my ogbono first, I washed it myself and dry it. So I'm going to be making a video on how to wash your ogbono and re-dry it again. Alright, this will enable you to cook your clean, you know that ogbono you are cooking is very clean. So I boil my meat, guys, with 1 big fresh pepper. Here we're going to add our palm oil to our pot. Allow it to bleach just a little for 2 minutes. Yeah, because when it's too much, it will make your ogbono so black. So we allow it to fry for 3 minutes before we add our ogbono to it. When you add the ogbono, you have to stir it very well. If not, you won't like the outcome. So when you stir it and you know it's mixed enough, so you start adding water bit by bit. While you are adding water, make sure you are stirring it. And as you are stirring it, just be looking at it. Make sure there is no side left behind. So everything will mix and everything will mix and will be well uniform. And the water I'm using is the water I use to steam my the goat meat. That's the water I am using to make the soup right now. So you see, guys, it's ready. You see, it's very fine and it's cool. We are good to go. So now we're gonna just start adding our meat. Now it's time for me to add the fish. I use air fryer to dry the fish. Now we're gonna add our spinach, and I like vegetable, I like pumpkin leaf, fresh one more, but based on where we are, we only get dry pumpkin leaf, so that is why I use spinach. But if you have a pumpkin leaf or any vegetable you decide to use, is optional, guys. All that just matter is you like what you are cooking to eat. Because of the water I use in cooking it, because I use 1.5 Maggi to steam the meat, so that is why I'm adding half again now. And now here we are adding our champignone. So we are going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes, then we are good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for visiting Susan's Kitchen, Susan Best TV. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and bye for now.